student, today we will going to study. We have studied the time shifting and time reversal. So the topic of today is time scale. So we will study today. Topic is time. So this is again as the previous topics we have studied. This is also a very easy topic. All let that this is a very easy topic. So let us take an example. First of all, let us take a signal. We are having this signal. So, let me increase the width. Suppose we are having this signal, and suppose this is okay. So this signal we are having, and let me draw. Okay. So this time we are taking a signal like this, and suppose this is plus one, and this is minus two. So I think all of you are getting this signal. This is a triangular signal. This is a triangular signal, and we are getting. So all of you are getting this signal. This is a triangular signal, and see what we have to draw. We have to what we have to draw is we just have to draw thing. First of all, we have to draw x of, and at the same time, and second we have to draw x of t by 2. These two we have to do. I will tell you very easy steps. Okay. So first of all, this is say first, and this is say second. Very easy steps we will do by, and we will end up with the solution, and we will end up with the concept. So suppose for the first we are taking. So what you have to do, students, is you just have to divide all the coordinates on the x-axis by this number present. By this number present. Okay, so here the number present is 2. So what you will do is you divide this by 2. This is 1 by 2. And you divide this again by 2. This is minus by 2. And will be minus. That will be half of it. Here it will be half of it. So what you have to do, whatever signal you have to draw, you divide that number, you divide all the coordinate by that number. Okay, here you have got the coordinate as half. Okay. Here you have got the coordinate as half, and here you have got the coordinate as minus 1. Okay. Just now the shape of the signal, please remember the shape of the signal will remain the same. Why the shape of the signal will remain the same? Because we are not doing anything with the amplitude, right? What we did is we just have uh, we just have manipulated the time axis only. Okay, so for that we have divided by we have divided all the coordinates by the number present. So, so suppose in this case my signal is compressing. Okay, my signal is compressing. Now let us move for the second case. Okay, let us move for the second case. Second case, here you have to draw x of t by 2. Here the number is how much? With the number, with the t, the number half is present. So you again divide this 1. Again divide this 1 by half. 1 by half is 2, and 2 by half is minus 4. Concept is same. With whatever is present with t, you divide that number, you divide these coordinate by that number. So here you will get as 2. Here, suppose here 2 is here, and suppose let me extend this. Suppose minus 4 is here. The shape of the signal will remain the same. Dear student, kindly remember that the shape of the signal will remain the same because we have not that is, I think that seems to be equal. So it should not be here. Let me erase this. It should not be here because it should be reflected in the graph as well. It should reflect in the graph. It should reflect in the graph as well. So it will not be here. It will be say the two should be say this is 2. So let us summarize this. First of all, whatever the number is by which you have to you can say scale the time, that by that number you will divide the coordinate. Okay? You will divide the coordinate, and whatever the result is coming, that will be the coordinate of the scaled graph. First point. And second point, you must remember, if that this number n is greater than 1, then your graph will, then whatever the resultant graph, it will get compressed. It will get compressed. Compressed. And if that number is lesser than 1, then the graph will get expanded. Graph will get. So this is what this is the concept associated with time scaling. In the next video, I will try to tell you the basic concept, the common use of time shifting, time scaling, time reversal. We will study an example by which we will get the common result, or you can say common application of all this.